Okay, so this is my Cosori Air Fryer and I'm very, very happy with it. I'm proud of it because I've had it for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months now and it's doing a great job. And I have decided, this is not a very good cooking video, but I've decided that I'm going to cook some pies in it. I've taken the foil off. I've put them in there, you know, because normally you put them in the oven, they take ages and, you know, all that stuff. I thought, let me put it in the Cosori Air Fryer. So let me experiment with this and see how it goes. Okay, so the instructions say 30 to 35 minutes, fan assisted oven, 180 degrees, 200 degrees Celsius there, gas mark 6. I'm gonna have a look at my settings and I'll come back to you and show you how I'm gonna try this out. Okay, so I am going to go for, I've turned the power button on and this is what's come on. It says 180 degrees, but remember the instructions said 180, what did they say? Fan assisted 180. So I'm gonna go for 180, maybe press that. I'm going to go for 185, 185, and it says 30 to 5, so I'm going to go for 30 minutes, so you press it again and it will, press it again and it will flash that's the time, and I'm going to go for, I'll go for 25 minutes at 185. I'm just going to experiment with that on my Cosori Air Fryer to do 4 pies. Let's see what happens. So there they are, just a reminder. Close it. Oh no, I shouldn't have done that because that's actually turned it off again. Okay, do it again. 180 degrees, flashing. I'm going to make, oh, I said 185. Let's do this for one. What did I say? I said 25 minutes, didn't I? 25 minutes. There we go. Let's go. And let's see what happens. I'll come back to you and give you the results. Okay, so I have got 17 minutes of cooking time left. I put it on for 25 minutes, remember. I'm going to have a check. Right. Okay, so it looks to me like the edges are going quite dark quite quickly. So what I think I'll do is I'm going to change that, to 180. And let's see if that's better. And slows it down a bit from, you know, overdoing the edges of the pies before the middle's done. Okay, I will let you know how it goes. Okay, the time finished and I forgot to come back on to show you. These are my lovely pies, my 4 pies done. I did quit the timing 3 minutes early, so I put it on for 25 minutes, did it for 22 in the end, and there they are. Lovely pies, quicker and easier than in the oven. So, hope you like this video. You can like and subscribe if you like. But it was just pies in my Cosori Air Fryer. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye.